The following video is a HARIG Easy Surf 618 CNC surface grinder. Blair is going to run a brief video of demonstration for us today.
What I've done really quickly is I've programmed in a plunge with a reciprocating program on it. So I'm going to turn on the spindle first. Spindle's very quiet. And then I'm going to start the program. You can see it's going to go to its starting point. Just started. The spindle is dropping just a little bit right now. The wheel. You can see now the Z-axis is moving back, starting to move. I have it set on about a 10-inch throw right now for your X-axis. And this program is probably going to run 4 or 5 minutes before it times out. Everything will go back to its home position at that point.
Again, the preceding video was a HARIG Bridgeport Easy Surf 618 CNC surface grinder.